I would like to introduce to you one of our newest team members, Ally Domar. She is our Conservation Manager, where she is overseeing the preservation and restoration of the museum's collection. Ally is an accomplished automotive and motorcycle restoration specialist and holds a Bachelor of Science degree in automotive restoration and motorcycle technology from McPherson College, as well as a dual Associate of Applied Sciences degrees in automotive body repair and automotive technology. Her expertise covers all facets of restoration, including paintwork, body repair, upholstery, mechanical systems, historical research with a strong emphasis on quality, authenticity, and craftsmanship. Sounds like she's got it covered. Ally, where are you? Please welcome Ally Domar to the stage.
Thank you, Michael. Good evening, and thank you all for joining us tonight at the incredible Barber Vintage Motorsport Museum. Like Michael said, my name is Ally Domar, and I am the newly appointed Conservation Manager at the museum. Standing here, surrounded by some of the most iconic machines in motorsports history, it's easy to be inspired. As many of you know, our museum has always been about more than just machines. It's about the stories they tell, the innovation they represent, and the legacy they leave behind. Tonight, I am thrilled to tell you how we are at the starting line of a new chapter. We're beginning a major initiative focused on conservation and preservation. This is no small task, as you can tell just by looking around, but it's the natural next step for an institution that's not just about collecting history, but protecting it and preparing it for the next generation. With years of experience using certain products and research into new items, we have chosen the ones that will help us be proactive and forward-thinking in our approach to conservation and preservation. We aim to set a new standard for how museums care for their collections. This is not just about polishing chrome or protecting paint. It's about creating a long-term, sustainable approach to maintaining the integrity of every machine, part, and artifact in this building. We're looking ahead, embracing best practices, exploring new techniques, and staying ahead of the curve. This is no ordinary collection in this museum. It's a living archive of mechanical beauty, design innovation, and engineering brilliance. That is why we are making a commitment to ensure that every piece in this museum is cared for with the intention of lasting well into the future, because this collection deserves nothing less. Conservation and preservation ensures that these machines don't just survive, but continue to inspire. It means future generations will still be able to stand here and marvel not at reproductions or photographs, but the real, authentic machines that shaped the world of motorsports. We're making sure that decades from now, young learners can still walk these floors and feel the same awe and curiosity that we all feel when we're exploring the collection here. The conservation and education departments are very connected in vision. Conservation protects the past and ensures we have history to teach. Education shares it and ensures that people learn from it. Our education department is the bridge between the past and the future, helping translate this work into meaningful learning for the public. They teach the why and the how to students and visitors who walk through our doors. And it fuels a vision where the Barber Vintage Motorsport Museum is not just a world-class collection, but a living, learning, lasting institution which is dedicated to the conservation and preservation of every iconic machine in the building. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for believing in what we do. And thank you for helping us drive this next chapter forward together.
Thank you, Ally.